Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Carlos, but you can call me Charlie. And today I'm going to share with you my latest purchase from Mr. Louis Vuitton. I went to the boutique this weekend, and it's my first time in the boutique since the lockdown. So I wanted to see what they have new, check out the new pieces. Everything was great, but it's still very weird because you have to wait for your turn to go into the store. I didn't want to film or take any pictures other than the ones that I'm going to put here. Because it felt weird. The city is still weird because of Corona, so I didn't want to film, but whatever. So I went to the store. I spoke to my SA and I asked her for an item that it's here. I've been looking for this item forever, you guys. And when I'm saying forever, it's 5 years ago I first requested this item and finally it has arrived. So here's the proof of purchase. It's really sad that they don't give you the nice envelope with the nice sheet of paper anymore, but I guess it's the new ecologic way of go. This item was $255 and comes in this cute little box. Dun, 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 dun. Ta-da! We have our dust bag, and yes, I got a strap. This is the adjustable shoulder strap in 26mm monogram and retails for $255, as I said. And it comes with this little frame that it's supposed to be like super comfortable for your shoulder, but this is not really comfortable. This is raw plastic, you guys. How is this going to be comfortable here, like cutting your neck every single second? So I'm not wearing this, but I think it's cute. It has like an LV here, which I don't know why it has an LV, but it's cute because it doesn't have it in here. And as I said, is the raw plastic. It doesn't have any varnishing or anything, so this is not really comfortable, but it's nice to have. And I'm going to give you, okay, so the length for this shoulder strap is 103 centimeters in the shortest and 120 centimeters in the longest. I'm going to put it in inches down below here because I don't know in inches, but that's in centimeters. And it comes with metallic buckles that are super shiny. With this strap happens the same with the same thing that happens with the Speedy. Happens here that you have 3 different metals. As you can see, this is really shiny, this is really dull, and the grommets are like really yellow. This looks almost green, you guys. This looks like yellow, and this looks like golden yellow. So yeah, the metals are different, but I guess it's I don't know, Louis Vuitton and their things. And it comes with 2 pieces of vachetta, so you can keep this in place. It's 2 pieces. It's this piece and the longest piece, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 grommets that you can adjust. But I'm going to wear it on the longest because I'm tall. I'm 6'2" tall. So yeah, this is the strap. It says Louis Vuitton on both sides. Sorry about the noise, you guys. My neighbors are crazy. They are always playing with their cars, and if I keep waiting to the perfect day for a film, a video, I'm going to keep buying stuff and not sharing. And I want to make these videos because I want to share. I want friends to talk about these things that we love. So sorry about the noise. Okay. So the interesting is that I got the strap to wear with my pochette accessoire, and I have my epi pochette, and I have the mini pochette. So let me show you how I'm going to wear it. You just have to take off this leather piece. What I love about the pochette accessoires is that they are super versatile, because you just take this piece out and you have the main bag. Oh my god, you guys, I'm super excited. If I sound weird, it's because I'm Mexican. My first language is Spanish, and I'm still learning to talk English. So be patient with me, you guys. Feel free to correct me on my pronunciation, give me any tips to speak better. But yeah, this is how it looks. And just now I'm noticing that I have like a big stain right here. This is super dirty, but you get the gist. Okay. Yeah, you guys. This is, sorry I'm wearing shorts. I wasn't planning to wear anywhere. So yeah, this is it. It hits me in a... Actually, it hit me pretty low. I think I'm going to shorten it, make this bit shorter, because I think this is really long for me, and I like my bags a little bit more taller. Yeah, still long. I think I'm going to wear the third grommet. It feels so nice to not have to worry about vachette, you guys, because it's all monogram. There's no worries about any vachette, any stain, nothing. Yeah, I think that's a pretty good length. What do you guys think? And I bought my luggage tag, and I'm going to use it like this. Yeah. Yes, you guys, what do you guys think? I love it. It has my initials and my little doggy because I love my dog. She's my daughter. Her name is Beatrice. And this is how it hits. I love it, you guys. This is a great purchase. Now I'm going to show you with the Epi one. I think it's going to be nice with the Epi one, also because it's monogram. I think it kinda goes with everything. That's my dog, sorry. Okay, so if it's not the neighbors with the stupid car, it's my dog. What the heck? Okay. Off we go with the pochette. Oh my god, you guys, I'm going to use this forever and ever and ever and ever. Oh my god. You guys, this thing was the best purchase I have ever made. Look at this. It's like I just bought 2 new bags. Oh my god. You guys, this is amazing. You have to get this strap. Oh my god. I'm impressed because I wasn't expecting to love this as much as I do, but this is super useful. I have worn this pochette epi like maybe 2 times in my life since I got it. And it's such a shame because it's a great piece. It has the LV here, but I wasn't wearing this because I don't have a strap. But now that I have one, I'm going to wear it forever. Okay, so now let me show you how it's going to look with my mini pochette. Because yes, we are not going to stop at 1 or 2 options. We are going to go for the 3 options. Oh my god. Oh, adorbs. This is adorable, you guys. Oh my god, you have to get this strap. Let me try on for you. Oh my god. You guys, this is the most adorable little piece of candy. Let me turn this. Oh, Houston, we have a problem. Oh my god, you guys, with the stripes. Hello, Summer. Miss Corona who? Yes. I'm just being silly because I'm super happy with this purchase. And it's only $255 for a piece of Louis Vuitton. And I like this little detail here because it's like the chromate and it has varnishing here. You guys, this for the summer. Oh my god. You guys, best purchase ever. Oh my god. Gorge, adorbs. Oh, my luggage tag doesn't want to go out. She wants to get out. And again, if I sound super weird, if you can not understand a thing I'm saying, is because I'm Mexican and English is not my first language, so just bear with me, be patient. But yeah, this is it, you guys. You have 2 pieces of leather. Oh my god, adorbs. I love it. So I wanted to show you a comparison between my other straps and the monogram strap. Okay, so this is the strap for my Speedy Bandolier, and this is the strap for my Alma BB. And I wanted to show you guys. Oh, there's actually a difference between them. This is the Speedy one, this is the monogram strap, and this is the Alma Bebé. And as you can see, the Alma Bebé is super tiny. It's right here. It's like about a quarter of an inch shorter, the Alma Bebe one. And the strap for the Speedy is a quarter an inch thicker or wider. Yeah, as you can see, this is super tiny, medium, and thick. And also the strap for the Speedy is 3 pieces of canvas. And the monogram one is 2 pieces. And the strap for the Alma Bebe is not adjustable. So yeah. Also, the Alma Bebe one has the LV logo, and the monogram strap has the Louis Vuitton logo right there. So yes, you guys, that's the comparison between the 3 straps. Definitely a great purchase. You have to have this. It's super fun. It's going to make your pochette accessoires turn into a crossbody bag. So it's great. It's great investment. And yes, I just wanted to show you this one. And again, you guys, the metals are different. This is a little bit bigger because the strap is bigger, but the colors, can you tell the difference between the colors? This is like yellowish dull, and this is like golden. And it has this little thing that turns. This one has it too, but this one is more like a square, and this is rounded on the edges. And it doesn't have any grommets, just has the hole, and this one has the hole. And I wanted to show you something that it's very interesting, you guys, which is my vintage Amazon, which comes with its own shoulder strap. This is not detachable, but this is vintage. And this piece is leather, and it has the Louis Vuitton made in France there. And what is that little thing? This is the one that comes with the monogram. So as you can see, it's longer, but it doesn't have any vachette here. This is not comfortable either. So yeah, that's what happens when you have dogs, and I have 2 of them. But that's the comparison, you guys. I hope it is useful, and that's it. So that was my little purchase, my little treat of quarantine for you guys. And I hope you like it. Please give me a like. Follow me, follow my Instagram. I'm going to put all the details about this piece down below, the serial number, the measurements, everything is going to be on the description box down below. And I hope you guys like this video. I know I don't speak English well, but I'm trying to learn. I hope this helped me. If you want to follow me and subscribe, I'll be super grateful. So please join the family. Bye.